Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvetlox coming back at you with another wonderful recipe for you today. Now, listen, I get so many of you asking me questions regarding meal prep ideas, how and what to eat when you're using these teas and detoxes as well as smoothies, and also what should you eat for breakfast. So I'm going to share with you a wonderful, easy idea. Now, you ask me these questions, but then when I give them to you, you tell me that you don't have time in the morning. I can't help everybody. So I'm going to show you how to powerhouse that smoothie so you can get more benefits from it, okay? And it's going to keep you full longer. So while in the morning you blend this, you take it on the road with you, sip it on your way to work, and it's going to help to keep you full. So this way you're not thinking about snacking and eating in the morning, all right? So follow this up with healthy meals, light meals, salads, sandwich wraps, things like that, and you're going to see benefits in your body, okay? So let me show you right now what you can do with this awesome smoothie. All right, you guys, so let's start this video right now. Now, what we're going to need for this video is some spinach. A nice, healthy, hearty handful of spinach. My poor spinach is looking like it's on its last leg, so I'm going to use it before it goes. I'm also going to be blessing this with an avocado. You can use this one, or you can use the little Hass avocado. Half of that will do, all right? 1/4 of this will do. You're also going to need an apple. Now, to give it that little sweetened taste, I'm going to be using my red delicious apple today. I'm also going to be using my Giovanni vanilla yogurt. And in this nice little container, some of you have seen it in my other video, what I do is I peel my bananas and I put them in a container to freeze them, so this way they don't spoil. So today I'm going to be using 1 banana. Also, we're going to be filling our stomach with some whole oats, okay? These are regular whole oats. And we're going to be using our almond milk. Now, whatever milk you desire is fine by me, but the less fat, the better, okay? So try to choose a healthier type of milk for this drink. And all your weight loss drinks, okay? Now today I'm going to be using my wonderful NUTRIBULLET blender. This is the new one that came out. It's a full-size blender, and it really is powerful. I am in love with it already. Okay, so let's start off. Now, like I mentioned, we will be using 1 banana. So let me get one of these frozen bananas out of this container. Okay. You can pop the rest back in the refrigerator. Next, I'm going to be stuffing this with my spinach. Now, we're going to be needing 1 teaspoon of our flax seeds. Throw that in there. And this is a recipe you can tweak to your own liking. Doesn't have to necessarily go this way. Okay. Now we're going to be taking at least 2 heaping tablespoons of our yogurt. And also, you're going to measure 2 cups of your milk. Okay, so now with our apple, we're just going to core the apple. And pop that in there as well. You can even put the core in there. seeds and all. Now you're just going to cut your avocado. Pop that in there. Okay, and lastly we're going to take 3 tablespoons of our oats. Alright y'all, so now let's blend this up. Alright you guys, so we're going to pop our blender on top and turn it on. I love this blender. And start it up. Alright. Okay, so you grab yourself a sports cup, whatever you're going to need that's going to help you as far as bringing this with you on the go. But being that I'm home, I'm going to be using my Big Mama mug, okay? And I'm going to pour that in. And like I said, get a big enough sports cup so this way you're enjoying a full breakfast. And it's full with antioxidants, full with vitamins, minerals, fibers. It's full with everything, okay? Pop that straw in there and you got a wonderful morning breakfast. Oh my gosh. Listen, you're going to love this. This is delicious. Delicioso. Okay? So thank you so much again for joining me on this wonderful video. These are wonderful morning breakfast ideas for you while you're on your weight loss journey. Implement this in your morning routine. Use these on the go in the morning. You take them with you to work. You can sip along, in your car, on the train, bus, however you're commuting. And you got your breakfast healthy, okay? And it's within your weight loss journey ideas, all right? And it's going to help you to lose weight if you implement it along with eating healthy throughout the day. Drink lots of water. And you will see results in your body. So thank you so much again for joining me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Check out also my other channel, which is called Velvetlox. I will link that down below in the description bar where you can go over there right now, subscribe, and also turn the notifications on to all for both of these channels so you will not miss another one of these videos. Also over there I do hair, beauty, hauls, family vlogs. There's a lot more on that channel as far as the behind the scenes to me. All right, and thank you again, and I will see you in the next wonderful video. Welcome YouTube family. This is the Velvetlox introducing to you my new channel, and this channel is called Velvetlox. On this channel you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs, okay? So check it out, go down below, click those links, and subscribe as well as turn on your notification bell. And I will see you there.